to show you how to open your first Web3 wallet, and I am going to use MetaMask for this. And I will install MetaMask. I will add Sonic Testnet in it, and will show you the entire demo. So first of all, we have to open our own browser here. I am using Chrome, and we have to go to Chrome Web Store. We have to wait for it, and we have to search for MetaMask. So you can see that it's a verified one. You have to click this. After this, you have to click this thing, add to Chrome. It's the same process like we add other extensions. So if I just add it, it will take some time and we will start a download. And after the download finishes, yep, we are done with the downloads, and you can see that the pop-up arises as MetaMask is added, and you can pin it up and automatically the MetaMask will be opened. After that, you just need to agree to the MetaMask terms, and then you have to click on create a new wallet. I will suggest you not to check this. I mean, keep this unchecked because it will just send your diagnostic data to MetaMask and it will be used for marketing purposes. So I will suggest you not to tick this. Otherwise, you can agree with all the privacy policies and just go forward. And here you have to add a password. I am adding a password here. It's saying strong. We have to repeat this. When the passwords are matched, you will see a tick. After that, just click on I understand and create a new wallet. After that, it will show you something like secret recovery phrase and etc. So after that, you will be guided to your recovery phrase section. I will suggest you not to show that phrase with anyone. And for here, I am clicking secure my wallet. And you can see that these are my recovery phrases, which you should take a screenshot by your mobile, or you can just write it down in your physical notebooks for betterment. And here you can see that make sure nobody is looking. So it's top secret because all your funds and wallet, all your transactions are just encrypted with this these phrases. Even you, if you want to move your wallet to a new wallet, I mean if you want to move your device to a new device, you have to enter this script, these phrases. So I will suggest you don't show this. And yeah, I am also skipping the reveal section because without revealing you can't move forward. And after revealing, you will be guided to save a copy of this. And I will suggest you just copy the recovery phrases in your diary and make sure that you have followed the proper order with the numbering, and just track a note. So after copying it to your clipboard, you can just click on next, and after that you will be prompted to this window, and you have to just write 3 of your phrases. It is just to verify that you have successfully noted down your phrase, and it's compulsory to fill it up. And I am pausing the video once again and filling this up. After filling the phrases, the blank spaces properly, you can see a window that congratulations, your wallet has been created. And you just can click on done to proceed. And it will show you some security steps. And you just have to click next. And yeah, it's done. Your wallet is done. So yeah, I am opening the extension. And you can see various networks here. I would suggest you just to make a refine of these networks. India, I am now in the MetaMask website where you can see your own balance. It's Ethereum mainnet and it's 0 for now. Initially it will be 0 and it will be in USDT. But if you just buy your funds, you can, the balance will increase. I would suggest you just go to settings, and you can go see here option called advanced. Just click on advanced, and here you have to just on this show conversion on test networks. This toggle you have to make it on. And there is another toggle called show test networks. You just need to keep this on too. So after that, you can also click on show hex data, but I think it's not important for you guys. So you just can make this thing check or on, that conversion of test networks and also the show test network. And yeah, it's saved now and you can just close it. After that, come to Chainlist. So those who don't know about Chainlist, just a small info, that Chainlist is a portal which is designed to find all of your, your chains, whatever chain you want to add to your Ether MetaMask wallet or any kind of wallet. It may happen that you forget the chain info. So to make this easier, Chainlist has been created. So here you just need to click on connect wallet, and after that there will be a pop-up and you have to connect your wallet properly. For successful wallet connection, you can see your wallet initials here. And for your information, this is your wallet address, and this is the main thing you need. This is the public key, you can say. Even if you wanna receive or send someone funds, you have to just need to use this. If you want to receive funds, you have to just send this address to your, to the sender. After that, in chain list, check on this thing, include testnets. After this, just search for Sonic, because we are now dealing with Sonic. You can see Sonic Blaze Testnet. Just click on add to MetaMask. It will just open up a pop-up like this, and just click on approve. Yeah, it's now added to MetaMask. You can verify this by clicking here, and you can see that we are already in Sonic Testnet, but it's 0. But very soon I will be going to a faucet and add some funds to Sonic. And if you just click on this network, you can see the RPC URLs and the latency and the network height and latency, everything. But it is very essential when you are building on blockchain, because RPC URLs are mandatory to deploy your contracts. So after that, you can see that there are some, the network is added. Now it's time to add some funds to it. To add funds, you need to come to this link, that is testnetsoniclabs.com/account. It will open up an interface like this, and you can see that not connected. You have to connect your wallet here. If you just click here, and it will open up a pop-up. From here, select MetaMask, and after that, just connect your wallet with Sonic. You can see that your account has been successfully added. Just go down, and here you can see a faucet option here. So in the faucet option, you can just click on step 1, that is request Sonic. So just click on this request Sonic. It will take a bit of time to verify your credentials and to send some funds to your blockchain wallet, that is MetaMask. And after that, it will just tell you to sign to sign a transaction. As soon as you just click on confirm, that means you are signing this transaction. It will take once again some time, and you can see that here is Sonic Testnet has been added. Sonic has already sent some funds to your wallet. You can see that he has sent 10 Sonic worth almost 5 USD. So 10 Sonic is more than enough, and you can even run a lot of contract deliveries and transactions with it. And it's pretty much cool amount that Sonic transfers in your wallet. That is worth almost 4.5 USDT, which is nearly about 350 rupees, 350 to 380 rupees, you can say. Or you can say it's 320. So it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool to run a transaction. So yeah, that's it. That we have, we have downloaded the wallet from Chrome Web Store. We have added Sonic from Chainlist, and at last we went to the Sonic Faucet. Okay, so for information, what is a faucet? Faucet is a specific bank, you can say, from where you can collect test tokens just to run your transactions, just to run your tests. So it's similar to the main token, but it has zero value. You can never sell this, or you can never buy this. It's only available in the faucets. It sends you some testnet tokens. So yeah, we have funded our wallet from Sonic Testnet, and that's it for today. Thank you so much, and keep your eye to the Tech Janta YouTube channel for more updates and more videos on Sonic, on EVM, on Solidity, on cryptography, and rest of the other topics, everything.